Hey boo boo kitties, hey boo hey, what's good y'all? So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to color grade your videos, how to really amplify those colors to make it more vibrant if you feel like your videos look kind of dull. So make sure that you screenshot these settings because these are the settings that I used for the video on the left. So as you can see here, we're going to start with just a blank canvas, right? Where you can actually create more vibrancy within your videos. Now, don't pay my forehead no mind because of the makeup. I was sitting in front of my ring light, a little bit of oil was going, you know what I'm saying? But still, we're gonna get to it, boo boo kitties, okay? So the first thing you're gonna do, you guys, once you are in CapCut on your CapCut timeline, you are going to hit adjust, which is right in between media and AI avatars. So you'll see that here. I'm just making sure that this is the right clip that I'm going to be editing. I'm going to select it and I just passed it. Boom, right here, adjust. We're going to hit adjust. Very similar to what you do to your pictures in your iPhone, you guys. You could do this to your videos in CapCut. So the first thing we're going to do the exact settings that I did, that I just showed you guys at the beginning. We're going to change the contrast. And what I like to do before I make any changes, you guys, this was taught to me in photography when I was like 14. You always take this bar and toggle it back and forth so that you can see the extremes on both ends. And then you bring it back to whichever number you want to go by, right? So we're going to do saturation at 3. Then we're going to go over to sharpen, see how that looks to its extreme. And we're going to bring this to 17. Then we're going to go over to shadows, see how that looks with its extremes. And 6 looks good. Then we're going to go over to temperature. You can see warm and cool, right? And we're going to bring that to 7. Then we're going to go to hue, bring that to 4. And then we're going to go to green and drag this to 10. Now, you guys, you can do any settings you like. It doesn't have to be these exact settings. I just wanted to show you what I used for this particular video. If you want to go an extra step, you can slide over to filters and go to vivid on top of the settings that you did, or you don't even have to manually change the settings, you guys. You can use the filter with vivid and just adjust. But personally, when I'm color grading my videos, I like to do it manually from scratch. And if you want to really make your settings pop out even more than what you've adjusted them to, you can always go in and add the filter called Vivid and adjust it to that. So that is how I color graded this particular video, boo boo kitties. Make sure that you hit subscribe, hit that notification bell, because you already know I'm popping out and swinging all 2024, baby, you heard? And let's get to it. Thank you so much for all of my new boo boo kitties, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.